In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to run the sfc Scannow command on your Windows computer. So basically how to run the system file check. So this should be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the start menu by left clicking on the start button one time. And now you want to type in CMD. Best match should say command prompt. You want to right click on it and then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control window, you want to left click on yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in sfc space / scan now. Please note there's a space in between the sfc and the / and there's no space in between the / and the scan now. Once you have it as it appears on my screen, you want to hit enter on your keyboard. It will begin running the system scan, so this will take some time to run, so just be patient. Okay guys, so we can see the Windows Resource Protection not find any integrity violations. So pretty straightforward, and I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.